Hi guys, and welcome back to the cocktail vlog. So yet again, it's been a little while. The last week's been really hot and I'm gonna get back into the swing of things. Seeing as it has been a while, I'm gonna get started on a really simple drink, the Fuzzy Navel. This was first made by Ray Foley over 30 plus years ago. He was the founder of the Bartender magazine. Gonna be a real short, sharp and shiny video, and it's pretty much, it's just 2 ingredients. You can build this cocktail, but I'm gonna shake it, chill the drink right down. It's just peach liqueur or peach schnapps and orange juice. So 45 mils, a shot and a half of peach schnapps. Add that straight into your shaker, followed by 120 mils of orange juice. And then fill your shaker with ice. Then give it a good shake. So grab your Hawthorn strainer and strain over fresh ice. If you prefer, you can just build this drink, make it even quicker. But as you can see, that didn't take very long at all, but it's going to add a little bit of texture to the drink. Now you can serve it up like that, or you can garnish with an orange wheel. If you substitute the peach schnapps, or if you lower it just a little bit and add some vodka into it, it becomes a hairy navel. But there you have the Fuzzy Navel. Cheers. Super simple, it's nice, it's refreshing. Thanks for watching, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.